Assalamu alaikum students of the Montessori class, my beginner students. It's time for the number lesson. Okay, so we have done 1 2 3 4 5 6. Now it's a time for 7. This is 7. Okay, this is 7, like this, and straight line. This is 7. This is 7. Now what is on the back of the 7? Oh, starfish. Can you count? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. 7 starfish. Okay, now move to page number 10. What is this? It seems like 7. It seems like 7. Okay. Now what's in the picture? Here are hands. Can you count with me? Yes, let's count. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. 7 hands. Okay. How many hands are there on the page? 7 hands. Okay, 7 hands.